Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, my friend. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Hey, I'm Bia. Are you ready to leap into learning? Yes? Ready? Yes, ready, ready, yes, yes. Ready, 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 yes, yes, yes. Can you guess what our adventures will be today? It's time for the alphabet song. Ready? Yes, ready, ready, yes, yes. Ready, 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 yes, yes, yes. Get up so you can sing and dance with me. Yay! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time will you sing with me? Ready? Let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time will you sing with me? Great singing! Now can you guess what's next? It's circle time! Circle time, circle time, circle, circle, circle time, circle time, circle time, circle, circle, circle time. Are you ready to learn letters, numbers, colors, and shapes? Yeah? Will you help me count then? Here we go, let me see your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great counting. Now look, what is our first letter this week? Y. The Y says Y. The Y says Y. Every letter makes a sound. The Y says Y, Y. Yo-yo, yo-yo, yellow, yogurt. Can you say these words? Yo-yo, yellow, yogurt, y. Do you know any other words that start with the sound y? Yeah? Yes, yes is a word. Yesterday, yesterday. Can you help me draw the letter Y? Ready? Here we go. We need 3 lines, 2 short ones on top. So 1, 2 going sideways and down. And then a long line going down. Ready? Here we go. Starting with the short lines. 1, 2. Look! Doesn't that look like the letter V? Yes, it does. Now all we do is adding one long line going down, wee, like this. There you go. The Y says Y. The Y says Y. Every letter makes a sound. The Y says Y, Y, yo-yo. Now let's say bye-bye to the letter Y. Bye-bye, letter Y. Erase, erase, erase it. And what letter is this? Z. The Z says Z. The Z says Z. Every letter makes a sound. The Z says Z. Zebra. Yes. Zigzag. Doop, 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 doop. Do you know any other words that start with the sound Z? Ziploc bag. Yes, do you have those in your house? Z. Now, will you help me draw letter Z? We start with a line, laying down horizontal, like this, and then one going down sideways, like this, and then another horizontal line, right here. Ready? Here we go. One short line, horizontal, wee. Then one line going down and sideways, wee, long line. That looks like the number 7, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Now we add one short horizontal line to our number 7 to make the letter Z. Ready? Here we go. Whee! There you go. And just like number 7, sometimes you might see another short line in the middle. Like that. Yes, the Z says, the Z says, every letter makes a sound. The Z says, Z, zebra, zebra. Let's say bye-bye to letter Z. Erase it, erase it, erase, erase, erase it. Bye-bye, letter Z. Now look, what's this? It's a number. What number is this? 9. Yes. Will you help me count to 9? Let me see your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great counting. And look, number 9 is a circle. Can you see a circle? And a half circle. Do you want to draw number 9 with me? Will you help me? Here we go. A circle. Can you draw a circle? Whoop. There you go. That's our circle. And now a half circle going down. But we start right here on the side. Ready? Going down. Whee! There you go. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One side caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Let's say bye-bye to number 9. Bye-bye, number 9. Right back here. And look. What is this shape? A cross. It's a cross. Yes, what color is our cross? Green. I see something green. Green. I see something green. Green, 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 green. I see something green. Find something green. Ready? Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you find something green? Yeah, that's green. Nice. It's a green cross. Can you help me draw a cross? A cross looks like, if you flip it, it looks like the letter X. X-ray. Yes. But then we flip it, and it's a cross. Oh, wow. Do you want to see? Where's our letter X? Right here. This is our letter X. And if we flip it, it's a cross. See? Yes. So we learned how to draw the letter X last week. So this should be nice and fun to draw a cross now. Here we go. All we need is one line up and one down. Okay, ready? Here we go. Long line up, and then one line, long line down. Long line, vertical, and one long horizontal line, laying down. There you go, that's our cross. A cross. Can you see a cross? A cross. Can you see a cross? Can you say cross? cross. Yes, the cross is also used to sum. So 1, it becomes the mathematics symbol plus 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1, 1, 2. 2! Yes! There you go. The cross becomes the symbol plus. Yes, very useful. Now let's erase our numbers. Bye-bye numbers. Erase it, erase it, erase. Bye-bye cross. Erase, erase, erase it. Bye-bye numbers. Now, what colors can you see in our letters this week? Green. I see something green. And what color is this one? Red. I see something red. Letter Z is red. Letter Z is red. Red. Letter Z is red. And letter Y is green. Letter Y is green. Green. How about number 9? Blue. Number 9 is blue. Blue. Number 9 is blue. And the cross is also green. The cross is green. Yes, you did so good in circle time. I'm so proud of you. Yes. And now that we're all done, can you guess what's next to come?
It's freezing cold in the Arctic. Yeah, it's one of the toughest places, one of the toughest habitats to live in the world. But there are plants and animals that live in the Arctic. Do you know what they are? They are very, very special animals that have changed, adapted to fit in the Arctic. And they change their colors sometimes. They have fur to keep them warm. Or they are very strong and heavy. Yeah, they are very, very special animals. Are you ready to learn all about them? Today we'll learn about 5 land animals that live in the Arctic. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you guess what they are? Have a guess. What did you say? That's a nice guess. The 5 animals we'll learn are polar bear, walrus, Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, and caribou. Can you say them with me? Polar bear, Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, walrus, and caribou. Nice! Now let's leap into learning, and can you guess what the first land animal we'll learn about? Out of these 5, who do you think is going to be first? Let's see.
Look, what animal is that? Do you know? What is it? A polar bear! Yes! Polar bears are the largest bears in the world. Yeah, and they eat just about anything. They are the biggest, strongest creatures in the Arctic. Yeah, and they are usually followed by the Arctic foxes, who are hoping to eat their leftover food. But the Arctic foxes better be careful, because polar bears eat Arctic foxes too. Yeah. Polar bears live for about 15 years and they are great swimmers. Can you stand up and swim with me like a polar bear? Ready? Stand up, and swim like a polar bear. Swim like a polar bear. Swim like a polar bear. And backwards. Swim like a polar bear. Swim like a polar bear. Swim like a polar bear. That way. Swim like a polar bear. Swim like a polar bear. Swim like a polar bear. And this way, let's change our swimming method. Swim like a polar bear. Swim like a polar bear. Swim like a polar bear. Nice swimming. Yeah, polar bears are great swimmers like you. And they spend just as much time in the water as they do in land. Isn't that wonderful? They are super strong, can walk, run, and swim. That makes them top predators in the world. Can you growl like a polar bear? Grrr, grrr, grrr. Now, can you guess what's the next animal? Look, what animal is this? It's an Arctic fox. Can you say it with me? Arctic fox. Arctic fox. Yes. They changed their fur. Do you see those little cute, soft looking things? Those are fur. Yes, can you say fur? Fur. Yeah, they need it to stay warm throughout the rough winter in the Arctic. Yes, Arctic foxes change colors. Did you know this? Isn't that cool? They are white in winter and then brown in the summer to blend in and hide from predators who want to eat them, like the polar bear. Yeah, isn't that cool? Arctic foxes have very long tails, and they wrap around themselves to stay warm. Their ears are short and round, and they help in hearing their predators under the water, swimming under the water. Their favorite food is a small animal called lemming. Yeah, Arctic foxes' babies are called cubs. Baby cubs. Yeah, can you run fast like an Arctic fox? Stand up, and run fast like an Arctic fox. Fast, fast, fast. Run like an Arctic fox. Go, go, go. Run. Fast, fast, fast. Faster. Run. Yay. Shush. Arctic foxes also have a very sensitive nose. Where's your nose? Doop. Doop. Yeah, to smell their prey. Smell. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Can you smell with your nose? Yeah. Whew. It must be cool to be an Arctic fox, huh? The only thing is that they don't live for very long because it's so cold in the Arctic. And there are bigger predators like the polar bear who eat them all the time. Yeah, they only live about 3 to 6 years. Yeah, isn't that strange? That's strange, isn't it? Well, that's all about the Arctic fox. Can you guess what the next animal is? Do you know what animal is this? What is that? It's an Arctic wolf. Ow! Arctic wolves are usually in a group called packs. A group of wolves is called a pack. Can you say pack? Yeah, pack. That's what keeps them safe for a long time. They usually live up to 10 years, and they are safe even from polar bears who will attack them. But because they are in groups, in packs, Polar bears usually stay away. Yeah, so the more, the stronger. Arctic wolves have small ears to keep them from the cold, but they are very good at hearing. They have excellent hearing. Where are your ears? Doop, doop. Can you find your ears? Ears. Yes. Wolves have 2 layers of fur. Yes, to keep them very, very warm. They have an outer layer and they have an inner layer. So they are usually super, super warm, even in the Arctic where it gets freezing cold. Yeah, a baby Arctic wolf is called a pup. Yeah, baby Arctic wolf is called a pup. Can you say pup? Pup. Yeah, they must be so cute, but dangerous. Be careful, be aware, because they eat even large animals like seals. Yeah, remember they are usually in groups, in packs, so they can eat larger animals like seals or maybe even a polar bear if it's only one and a big pack of wolves. Uh-oh. Want to be away from them, don't we? Yeah. Now, can you guess what the next animal is? Look! What animal is this? Have a guess. Let me hear you. It's a walrus. Walrus. Can you say walrus? Walrus. Yes, walrus have long tusks. Very long. And they use it as tools to break the ice. Doop, doop. Yeah, that really helps them when they're swimming and they need to breathe. They use it as tools to break the ice like this. Doop, tusks. Can you use your tusks to break the ice? Doop, doop, doop. Yeah, and then they can breathe. Walrus can stay under the water for up to 30 minutes. That's a long time. And sometimes they even sleep under the water. Isn't that cool? Yeah, walrus have strong layers of blubber to keep them warm. Yeah, that skin, yeah, it's very, very thick and called blubber to keep them very, very warm. Oh, a baby walrus is called a calf. Can you say calf? Calf. Yeah, and a mama walrus can only have 1 calf in 3 years. Yeah, so you can't really have a really big family, can you? But walrus can live for up to 30 years. Yeah, that's a long time considering all of the other Arctic animals, isn't it? Yeah, cool. Now, can you guess what's the next animal? Look, what animal is this? Have a guess. What did you say? It looks like a reindeer, doesn't it? Well, it's in the family, in the reindeer family. It is called caribou. Can you say caribou? Caribou. Yeah, caribous live in groups too. Caribou groups are called herds. Can you say herbs? Herbs. Yes, and they eat plants. Delicious. Do you eat plants? I do sometimes, like lettuce, spinach. Yes, tomatoes, bananas, plants. Caribous have long antlers. They help them fight predators, boo, 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 and clear the ground for food. Yes, clear the ground. Can you stand up and make your caribou antlers? Yeah, up here, and fight predators. Boo, boo, Ooh, and clear the ground for food. Find the plants. Get the snow away. Wee, wee, wee. Yeah, real nice. Caribous are nice, aren't they? They are very, very big and heavy. Yeah. Now, can you guess what the next animal is? It's time to clean up and say goodbye. Ready? Clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up. Clean up, clean up. Put your things away. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up. Clean up, clean up. Put your things away. Clean up, clean up, clean up, put your things away. Pick up your toys, pick up your books, pick up your shoes, put your things away. Clean up, everybody let's clean up, clean up, clean up. Put your things away. Yay! Great cleaning. Now, before we say goodbye, can you help me sing a very special song? It goes like this. Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the mornings and in the afternoons. I love you in the evenings and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Yay! Great singing. Now let's sing our goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go. Goodbye, goodbye. I don't wanna go. See you later, alligator. Bye, 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 butterfly. Woo. Goodbye. Oh, hey, 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 don't forget to do your worksheet of the day.